Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix something went wrong. We are sorry but we weren't able to do that. Error code 0x8007139f. So to resolve this problem, close it firstly, then click on Start, then Settings. Here click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and here click on Email. Turn on email access, then turn on Let apps access your email. So turn on this setting also. Select on mail and calendar and select on people. So these are all settings guys you need to turn on and try to sign in. Hopefully using this method you can fix and resolve. Second method, settings, click on apps, click on installed apps, and here guys you will see a list of applications. Here click on privacy and secure. Just you have to find out mail and calendar. Click on these three dot advanced options. Now here guys, firstly repair, then try the reset. Click on reset. Now close and restart your system and try to sign in. Hopefully second method will work and still you are facing problem. So last method, uninstalled mail and calendar, and after uninstallation install from Microsoft Store application. So search Store, and in Store you have to search mail and calendar. This one, mail and calendar, and install it. So hopefully guys this method will work and resolve mail application error. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.